Yo, how's it going, gamers? My name is hello? Yes? Yes? Oh, this is an educational video. Okay, sir. I'm going to change it, okay? Okay, bye. Hello and good morning. My name is what is it now? Wait, it's not morning? Oh. Damn sleep schedule. Hi everyone, my name is Daryl, and according to my manager, this is an educational video, I guess. As you may or may not know, the whole world is still obsessed on this pandemic thing, and I've got one thing to say. Wear your masks! And because of that, we're all stuck in our homes, and because I'm still in college, I'm forced to do online classes, which sucks, by the way. But do you know what does not suck? Our topic today, engineering geology. It doesn't suck because it rocks. Please laugh. Please.
Mr. Host, sir, what's engineering geology?
Nice question, Becky. Also, you do know that my
Engineering geology is an interdisciplinary field in which pertinent studies in geology and other geosciences areas are applied toward a solution of problems involved in engineering works and resources uses.
Isn't that a bit too esoteric for Becky, I think?
Engineering geology is the application of geology to engineering study for the purpose of assuring that the geological factors regarding the location, design, construction, operation and maintenance of engineering works are recognized and accounted for.
Wait, isn't that the Wikipedia's definition for engineering
Shut it, Daryl. You homo sapien looking ass, piece of
Okay, thank you, Mr.
It's Sir Cephalopod to you, Mr.
Cephalopod. Hee.
Okay then. Engineering geology is a branch of earth sciences linking classical geology with engineering and the environment. Engineering geology involves the study and the exploitation as well as preservation of the uppermost portion of the Earth's crust. Primary focus areas are construction of engineered structures such as tunnels, bridges, dams, and landfill. Development of near-surface resources such as groundwater, geothermal energy, and mineral deposits. Protection from natural hazards such as rockfalls, landslide, and debris flows.
But why is it important though?
Well, you see, Becky, engineering
geology helps ensure a safe and cost-effective design for construction projects. Gathering geological information for a project site is important in the planning, design, and construction phase of an engineering project. Conducting a detailed geological survey of an area before commencing a project will reduce the overall cost of the project. Common foundational problems in dams, bridges, and other buildings are typically directly related to the geology of the area where they were constructed.
Isn't that included in the very first article when you Google search importance of engineering geology?
You puny humans, you thought you were untouchable, you shape our planet because of greed, torture and kill its inhabitants, and you taint our skies and seas with your pestilence and scourge. One day we will reclaim the planet that you have ravaged, so have your little dance for now and enjoy the little game you call life, and know that one day we will take over the world from your clutches.
Okay then. Well, some might say in layman's terms that virtually you can build in any place that you want, but the cost and maintenance of said buildings that were built in such, let's just say, uncommon soil and terrain are too high to justify building it. So by planning, designing, and surveying the project site before commencing the project, so that we can minimize setbacks in future-proofing the project.
Wow, So that's why it's important, but why do we need to understand it exactly?
Sir Cephalopod, do you wanna say anything?
No, I'm good, homie.
Okay then, we need to...
For quality control of construction materials, such as sand, gravel, or crushed rocks, an engineer with a geological background is needed. The knowledge of the nature of the rocks in a specific area is necessary for tunneling and determining the stability of cuts and slopes.
The same article. Really?
Geological maps also help in planning projects. If geological features, such as faults, joints, beds, faults, or channels are encountered, suitable remedies should be incorporated. Geological maps provide information regarding the structural disposition of rock types in a proposed area. Topographical maps are essential for understanding the advantages and disadvantages of all possible sites. Hydrological maps provide information regarding the distribution of surface water channels and the occurrence and depth contour of groundwater. Knowledge of groundwater is necessary for excavation works. Understanding soil erosion, transportation and deposition by surface water helps in soil conservation, river control, and coastal works. In geologically sensitive areas, such as coastal belts and seismic zones, knowledge of the geological history of the area is very important.
Okay then, moving on. We need to consider that in order to build a house, a road, a skyscraper, or in any type of building, we need materials and resources. Almost all of these materials are processed beforehand, and in order to reach that point, we must procure raw materials that are present in the soil both above and under the ground, which are going to be studied in the engineering geology. For example, rocks have different resistances, formation, water absorption, and etc. So in order to make your concrete, you need to consider all of that to get the ideal form that you want to make your building or road. A rock that isn't so resistant will need to be accompanied by some chemical that will compensate it so you won't have problems with your structure. Do you get it, Becky?
So everyone needs it, huh?
Exactly. And with that, that ends our video for today. Got anything to say before we end, Becky?
I didn't know engineering geology is so interesting. Thank you for teaching me, Mr. Darrow. Oh, and also you too, Sir Cephalopod.
How about you, Mr. Cephalopod? Any last words?
Rise up, fellow octopus and squid kind. Today is the day that we reclaim the planet and eat the souls of the innocent, man, woman, child. They are not safe for...
Okay, that will be all for us for today. Goodbye everyone, have a good one. Bye.